Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to apply filters and effects to your video on CapCut. Filters and effects can add whole new dimension to your videos. And with CapCut, it's very easy to do so. So let's dive in and get started. Once you have opened up your CapCut app, the first step is to import your video. You can either record a new video using your phone camera or import an existing video from your gallery. To import the video, just tap on this plus icon here. And now from here, select any video that you want to add. I'll be using this. Now I'm going to tap on add. Now once you have imported your video, it's time to add the filters. Now for that, on the bottom, you can see there's a filters option. Just tap on it. This will bring up the filter editor in CapCut. CapCut offers a variety of filters that you can use in your video. To choose a filter, simply browse through the library and select the one that you want to use. You can preview the filter just by tapping on it. It will apply to your video. You can adjust the intensity of the filter by using this slider. And once you're happy with this, just tap on this tick icon. Now again, if you want to add additional effects to your video, go back and from here, just tap on the effects. Here you can tap on the video effects. Here you can use all of these shakes or the focus or these pre-made templates from your CapCut. Here select any one of these. You see the effect is applied to your video. For now, let's use this one. And if you want to apply this effect, just tap on this tick icon again. Now I'm going to play the video. Now if you want to increase the effect timeline, just increase and make it to the end. You can see the difference. That is without effect and that is after adding the effects and the filters. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export and share it. You can select the resolution of the video, or you can choose the frame rate of the video and also the quad rate. And once you're happy with this, just tap on this export icon and this will start exporting your video. And once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you apply filters and effects to your video on CapCut. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.